This is my drawing of the Grinch that stole Christmas, and today I'll guide you through all the steps that you could draw this yourself. So grab a pen or pencil and let's get started. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page at the bottom edge of the brow. So we're going to start with a gap in the center. Starting on the left side, let's bend this up, and then curve that out towards the end on the left. Let's line up the bottom on the right and do the same thing, going up and then out. Now on the inside, I'm just going to curl the brow coming in and then up towards the center. Let's add some thickness to the brow, starting from the tip, bend this up and then in. And I want to add a point, going up and out with a short line. Curve this all the way in and then down towards the inside of the brow. Let's fill the inside of the eyebrows in black. Now we're going to tuck the eyes in underneath the brow. Starting from the top left, let's draw a circle. Going all the way around towards the bottom, pull that up on the inside, and we'll line it up on the right, drawing that same size circle. Let's pull the pupils towards the inside of the eyes. Starting on the left, we're going to draw a smaller circle, going around and then in. And we'll add a black dot in the center. Now in between the eyes, right in the middle, we're going to draw a small oval for the nose. And then underneath the nose in the middle, curve this across towards the right and then back in towards the middle. Let's draw in the mouth. We're going to start with the left side. Start by curving this up and out, and then curl that up towards the outside of the eye. Draw that same shape on the right. And we're going to close off the ends with a bracket. From the outside of the eye, let's step out and draw in the cheeks. We're going to start with the left, curving around the mouth, and then down. And we want to add some fur texture along the cheeks. So add a small point, just pull this up and in. Add another point, coming down and in. Add a short line coming up. Now I'm going to connect the ends with a curve. We're going to come down underneath the mouth and then bend that back up. Let's draw the side of the head. Starting on the left, curve this up and in around the eyebrows. Now I want to add that fur edge across the hat. Starting on the left, then it's up and in. I'm just going to add these curves going across the top of the head towards the right. Let's draw the outside of that fur. Stepping down, curve this around and in like a bracket. And we'll close off the top, again with a series of curves. Now with the hat, we just want to flop this over towards the right. So we're starting on the top left side, bend this up, and then across. Now we're just going to bend this out and then down towards the side. Let's add a circle on the end. Now from the top of the circle, step over, draw the hat coming across and in to create a fold. Then right here, bend this down and then out. Now I want to add that fur collar. Starting on the left side, curl this around and then up. And again, just continue this across towards the right side and then up underneath the head. Underneath the fur, draw two straight lines coming down the side of the body. And we'll close out the bottom with another curve. Let's add some fur across the bottom. Starting on the left, curve this around and in like a bracket. And we'll continue to add these curves going across the bottom. In the center, step down, add a small curve. And then in the middle, draw a straight line coming down towards the heels. Now I want to draw the bottom of the feet. We're going to start with the left side, coming down and up towards the toe. Let's go back to the side. Just going to round out the toe, come in and then down. And we'll add a fold, stepping back, going up and then down, aiming towards the heel. Now we're going to go back up underneath that fur, just lining up with the side of the body. We're going to go out, down, and then in. Now let's go back to the side of the fur. We're going to draw the palms, coming around and then in. And we'll tuck the finger underneath, starting from the side of the palm, curve this around and then in. Let's add that fur cuff. Stepping up, just going to add a series of curves going around the palm. Now let's go back up to the top of the body, draw a straight angle line coming out towards the inside of the elbows. Angles down and in towards that fur cuff. And then we'll draw the outside of the arm, stepping up, going out towards the elbow, round out the elbow, and then come down in behind that fur. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a drawing of the Grinch who stole Christmas. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.